All right, my friends, let's have a chat. I thought it would be fun today to share with you 14 truths about running an online business. I have been running an online business full time for 4 years now, and I think these would be good for you to know. So, I got my coffee, and let's get into it. Okay, maybe a little bit of background would be helpful. First, I run an online business. You can check it out over at louisehenry.com, where I sell educational courses based all around tech. So, yeah, that's what it is now. It started as a tech virtual assistance company, but then I realized that I really wanted to teach. All right, so I've got 14 of these to go. The first one is that it's a lot of work. It's easy to look on Instagram and see the benefits of this type of business. So, for example, working from home or working from anywhere when we can all travel again, those are huge benefits. So, you see someone, just traveling and like working from cafes, and it looks really relaxed. And it can absolutely get there, but at the beginning, it is a ton of work to set up. And then, not just that, I mean, you need to learn so many different things in order to be successful in online business. I mean, here's a list of all of the things that you'll need to learn when you start an online business. So, yeah, it's a lot of work. I still work a ton of hours every single week, and most of the time, I'm just on my couch, hunched over my laptop trying to get as much done as I can. Truth number two, the comparison game is pointless. You will be so excited because you just had your first 10K month, you'll be celebrating, and then you'll see someone post on Instagram about their first 100K month, and maybe you'll let that get you down. But clearly that's silly, and the goalpost could just continuously keep moving, and then you would never be happy with the success that you do accomplish. So I think it's really important to define success for you and then not worry about what anyone else is doing. I think that those examples are incredibly helpful if you use it as a source of inspiration. So whenever you see those type of posts, you should just be like, heck yeah, cheering that person on, and then think if it's possible for them, then it's possible for you as well. But yeah, getting caught up in comparing your results to others and, oh, she did it faster, or whatever. Meh. Number three is that mentorship is so important. I'll see that often it gets a bad reputation online in terms of, online coaching, investing in online courses. And of course, there are some, coaches and products out there that aren't quality. But for the most part, there are people out there that have already achieved exactly what you want. They've already put in the time, the energy, the money into learning that. So I just think it's really going to give you that shortcut to where you want to go. I have always invested in other programs, mentors, coaching, and it's allowed me to grow so much faster because of it. So I just wanted to be like on the side of positivity for this. And I just think, investing in yourself is simply the smartest thing that you can do. So, of course, do your research, look into the people that you're considering working with. But yeah, I've just personally benefited from it so much. And I think you can just save yourself so much time and stress because somebody has already been through it all and figured it out. Coffee break. I don't know why I always do that. I like take the coffee and then I'm like doing the coffee drinking face. It's not necessary. Just drink coffee normally. Number four is that mindset is 95% of the game. So the strategy side, of course, is really important, but you can't expect it to work fully unless you work on your mindset. Because a lot of times the strategies have so much more to them, right? It requires you to put yourself out there, or maybe, you're doing ads for the first time and you have to spend a lot of money up front before you get a result. All of that, getting comfortable with that, is the mindset side of this. So make sure that you're doing your mindset work in addition to learning all of the right strategies. This leads me to number five, which is one of my favorite parts of running an online business, is that it's the best personal development exercise in the world. It's going to force you to develop all different sides of you, from leadership to confidence, money mindset, worthiness. Like it is all packed into this entrepreneurship game. Yeah, I'm really grateful for that side actually, and it's one of my favorite parts about being an entrepreneur. The next truth is that a lot of strategies work. So, for example, you'll hear me talk about building a website and why that's a really helpful tool for growing your online business. But then you'll hear others tell you that you don't need a website and you can just use Instagram to build your business. And then you'll hear others say that you should use Facebook groups. And then you'll hear others tell you that you should use TikTok. So, really, there are a lot of different strategies. And for the most part, I would say that we are all correct. And it's really figuring out which one is going to work for you, which one you want to put the time into and be consistent with. So, for example, I'm really introverted. And so I didn't want to be like having to message people on Instagram and be selling in the DMs. That wasn't a good fit for me. For me, instead, creating my website and my blog and my funnels and all that, that was a really good fit for me. So it's about picking and choosing which one is best for you and then really going all in on that one and seeing it through. Truth number 7 is that you have to be willing to look silly at the beginning, to post a video and to only get 2 likes on it, for example, and then to keep going. So to keep posting, even if that keeps happening again and again, you have to keep going until you do start to see that growth and consistency. So yeah, that can be hard. Anyone who is a creator of any form will never see you trying and think that it is silly. When I see someone just getting started and pushing through that awkward phase at the beginning, I'm like, heck yeah, that's really awesome. You will see, some overnight success stories because they make a good story, but for most people, that's not the way that it happened, and it took years of dedication and consistency. Truth number 8. You know those big numbers that people post about? Like, I just did 100K in 1 month. While some people lie about that, a lot of people are telling you the truth. And that is because the internet allows you to connect with millions of people from all over the world. We have all these free marketing tools like social media that allows you to connect with so many people. So it is absolutely possible and does happen for a lot of people. So if that idea excites you, then I think this is a really good fit for you. It definitely excites me. I love building something that doesn't have a ceiling and I can just keep going. All right, the next truth is that you might start your business to do what you love 24/7. For example, let's say you're an artist and you love creating your art, and so you start your online business in the hopes that that's what you're going to be able to do every day. Unfortunately, that's not the way it works, especially at the beginning. In the beginning, you're also going to need to do all of the business building side of things. So you're also going to need to become a content creator, a marketer, do sales, bookkeeping. So yeah, just be prepared for that. As you grow, that gets easier and easier because then you can build out your team and you can outsource the parts that you don't like and then get back to doing what you love more and more. Truth number 10 is to only listen to people that have achieved the results that you want. It's really easy when you're getting started to just listen to people in your direct circle and go to them for advice, but they're not in an online business, they haven't ever done this before, so they don't actually know, even if their intention is really positive. So yeah, seek out mentors and people that have done it, and don't listen to people that tell you that it's impossible simply because they saw something online or read an article once that says that it's not possible. The next one is that you will not be for everyone, and that is completely okay. You're going to get unsubscribes, unfollows, the occasional mean comment. That's fine. Everyone experiences that. Don't let it faze you. And with the unsubscribes and unfollows, that's completely normal. Don't worry about it. I wouldn't even be looking at that data. So if you have like notifications on or something telling you about unsubscribes, you can simply remove that and clear that out. Focus on the people that are a perfect fit for you and your content, and don't worry about the rest. The next truth is that there has never been a better time to start an online business. The barriers to entry are so low, as are the costs of getting started, especially when you compare to options in the past. For example, starting a brick and mortar business, that has way more costs involved to it. So yeah, I just think this is so exciting, and really there is so much opportunity. The next one is good news, and that's that it gets easier. I know that I said that it's a lot of work, but as you grow, you're able to invest in more support. So you're able to hire help, hire experts, you're going to be able to use better tools. I work less and more calmly now than I ever did at the beginning. And the last one is that you are capable. Keep going, keep showing up. It doesn't matter where you are now, and a lot can change in a short amount of time. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you found this encouraging and insightful. I'm always here to answer any of your questions about building an online business and what it's really like. So if you like this video, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below, and let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you real soon with another video.